Now we will discuss about body of sternum. Body is longer, narrower and thinner than the manubrium, and it is widest close to its lower end, and it has two surfaces, anterior and posterior, and two lateral borders. Now the anterior surface, it is slightly forward and directed upward. It is marked by three ill-defined ridges called sternibri. These three ridges forms four segments: first, second, third, and fourth. It is called sternibri. Now the lateral borders of body, it is formed synovial joint with the second costal cartilage to third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh half costal cartilage, and the upper end forms secondary costal cartilage and cartilaginous joint with the manubrium, and lower end forms with GP sternum form primary cartilaginous joint. Now the body of sternum, anterior surface gives origin on either side of pectoralis major muscles, and on the lower part of the posterior surface it gives origin to the sternocostalis muscles on both sides, and on the right side of the median plane the posterior surface is related to the right lung and right pleura, and on the left side upper two segment gives there is impression of left lungs and left pleura. On lower end there is an impression of pericardium. Now xiphoid process. Xiphoid process is the smallest part of the sternum, and it is first cartilaginous joint with the body form, but in adult it becomes ossified near its upper end, and it varies greatly in shape and may be bifid or perforated. It lies in the floor of the epigastric fossa. Now attachment. The anterior surface provides insertion of the medial fibers of the rectus abdominis muscles and to the aponeurosis of external and internal oblique muscles of the abdomen. Posterior surface gives origin to the diaphragm, and it is related to the anterior surface of liver. Now the lateral border of xiphoid process gives attachment to the aponeurosis of the internal oblique and transverse abdominis muscles. The upper end forms primary cartilaginous joint with the body of sternum, and the lower end form attachment to the linea alba. Now ossification. Sternum is ossified from two cartilaginous sternal plates, one on each side of median plane, and now manubrium has two center which is appear in fifth month of fetal life, and first and second sternibri has one center and which is appear in fifth month, and third and fourth sternibri has pair centers, and for xiphoid process there is one center. Third and fourth center appears in fifth and sixth month of intrauterine life, and for xiphoid process it is appear in third year of intrauterine life. And fusion from below upward by the age of 25th year, and xiphoid with body it fuses at 40 year of age.